What's up, everyone? I'm going to sharpen Maxamet today. This is a pretty intimidating steel. It's just shy of 70 Rockwell, but it's really not that bad to sharpen with the right stones. I'm going to use the Naniwa Diamond 600, and I'm going to have more coming on this stone later. If you saw the last video with the Diamond 400, that stone's been replaced by this stone for me because I had some issues with it, but go over that in another video. For deburring, I'm going to use the Chosera 5000, and to finish everything off, I have a 0.3 micron PSA lapping film. Should have a piece of float glass here to dull the knife. Okay, so just finished up on that lapping film. Cuts paper, no problem. So not too bad. Maxamet is pretty easily sharpened, especially if you have the right stones to do it on. I'm sure there's plenty of other stones that you could use, but these are the ones I use, and I'm happy with the results that they give. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.